The Samsung Galaxy Z Roll 5G is anticipated to be one of Samsung's most innovative smartphones yet, representing a bold shift from conventional foldables to a rollable display form factor that blends phone portability with tablet-like screen real estate without any crease. Rumors suggest it will feature a motorized 12.4-inch dynamic AMOLED screen that smoothly extends and retracts, offering a striking 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 3000 nits peak brightness, along with a titanium alloy frame and built-in S Pen support for enhanced productivity and creativity. Under the hood, it's expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, or Exynos 2600 in some regions, with up to 16 GB of RAM, paired with a large 8000 mAh battery and advanced fast charging, while the camera system may include a high-resolution 200MP main sensor with OIS, periscope telephoto, and under-display selfie camera, all running the latest Android with One UI optimizations. Industry leaks point to a late 2026 release, possibly announced at a Galaxy Unpacked event in the second half of the year, making the Galaxy Z Roll 5G a key contender for defining the next generation of premium smartphones.